If you want to go to Panama, Costa Rica, Colombia, and El Salvador, then watch this video, right? You don't have to be a travel influencer, you don't have to have the most money, but if you're saving up your coins and you're interested in traveling, then you have to watch this video. Stay on this video. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a travel agent. I'm not a travel agent. I'm not really a travel influencer, but I love traveling. I enjoy traveling. I enjoy seeing the world. I enjoy going to different countries. Catch me on a flight any day, anywhere. Period. So I have been, so backstory, I have been to 15 countries so far. And those countries include countries in Asia. So that are like Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia. And I have been to countries in the Caribbean and Latin America. Now, let me tell you how you can get to these four countries for $842 basically. No, I'm not saying if you have a whole lot of money, right? Nor take out no loan. You do not need to take out any loan for this, right? You do not need to take out any loan for this. You can just save your coins. A car is passing, but you can just save your coins, right? My battery is dying. Hold on. All right, let me give the information real quickly. One, I booked my first set of flights with Copa Airlines, that's COPA, Copa Airlines. And I booked a round trip from Jamaica, Montego Bay Airport to Panama City. Now that flight was $560, but you can get it cheaper. I just need a check bag. Okay, I'm a check bag girly. Give me a check bag any day of the week. Okay, I like to overpack. It's the negative thing about me, but I like to overpack. So I had a check bag. However, if you want to travel without a check bag, that's fine. No, you would pay like 400 and some dollars if you go without a check bag and you just have a carry-on bags, right? You can carry your little pullman, carry-on suitcase, and a backpack. That's fine. Or a handbag and a backpack, or a handbag and a pullman. That's fine. So you get two pieces of carry-on, right? Now, but I need a check bag, so that's why my flight went up to $560. So I did a round trip from Montego Bay to Panama City. It's basically the round trip for the most part because people want to ensure, or if you have to book one way, it costs a little bit more. So I'm telling you my experience of booking a round trip. The other thing I did, so my first flights were from from Montego Bay to Panama City and back, round trip. Now the next thing I did was I booked a round trip with Avianca Airlines. So that's Avinca. Yes, Avianca Airlines. Now what I did with them was I went on their website. So always book, always. I had an experience before the pandemic. I will probably talk about it another time. But always book directly with the airline if you're doing this independently. If you're using a travel agent,